Good afternoon, dear students. Sit in a prayerful posture. Breathe in, breathe out. Do silent prayer, our Father in heaven. Amen. Once again, a very good afternoon to all. So students, in previous class, we were doing Panchayati Raj. I think you understood the three tiers of the Panchayati Raj. That village Panchayat, Block Smiti, Jila Parishad. We have talked about that levels. So today we will study about the functions of the Panchayat. Which functions are they performing for the betterment of the village, for the development of the village, to give certain facilities to the people. Functions. What functions they are performing, they are providing to the people. Gram Panchayat providing to the people. Provision of clean drinking water. Sanitation and public health and animal husbandry means to taking care of the hygiene, taking care of the cultivation, taking care of the crops and animals which they are keeping for domestication, plantation of trees, construction and maintenance of village roads, street lights, public wells, tanks, waterways and other places in the village. To how? Living and collecting taxes, tolls and fees from their villages, ensuring the welfare of the people at the village level, including health education, communal harmony, social justice, particular gender and caste-based discrimination. As you know, our government in our constitution, it is a crime. So these things they are performing. And dispute resolutions and welfare of the children, especially the girl child. So these functions they are performing. Who is performing? Gram Panchayat. Gram Panchayat. Now supervision of work of government. The government, 3 governments I told you about: Gram Sabha, then Gram Panchayat, then their members, Sarpanch, Secretary. This is the government, supervision of the work of the government. Are they performing their work properly or not? Like policemen, workers of the primary health center, teachers, etc. Are they doing their duties well? Supply of quality seed and fertilizers to the villages, to the farmers. Organization of fairs and festivals. Keeping record of birth and deaths. How many are dying in the village and how many are taking birth in the village. This also keep the record. Provision of Center of Adult Literacy. See, they are providing the facilities to give education, to educate the adult literacy, adult people also, to keeping such type of program so that the adults can study. So construction and repair of the village. Then sources of income for Gram Panchayat. From all this, to maintain all these things comes from, we needs money also. So certain sources income have been allotted to Gram Panchayat for this purpose. Who is allotting? Government. The state government. The main source of income is tax levied on houses and shops and other open spaces in the village. See students, in cities also, you have house. You are paying house tax also. Even that mohallas tax also, the lanes tax, those who are coming to clean your lanes. See, sometimes you are using your vehicles and run on the road. You are paying the road tax also, toll. We are saying toll. And this goes in the pocket of government, and government uses these tolls for the maintenance of these things. The main source of income is the tax levied on houses, on shops and other open spaces in the village. Same in the villages also. Other sources of income include professional tax, service tax, those who are working, taxes on pilgrimages, fairs and markets, and animal trade also, those who are doing business of the animals to export or to import. It is also receives grants from the state government, and state government is giving grant to the Gram Panchayat to perform these functions and the Jila Parishad. There are also reservation of seats. In the Gram Panchayat, some of the seats are reserved for scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and women, those who are minority groups, जो कम हैं groups में, and women also. Beside this, there is a provision of reserve some of the seats for the backward classes of citizens. 1/3 of the total number of seats is reserved for women. If 3 men are there in the panchayat or the government, there is 1 woman also. So like this, they have given facilities. So watch this video. First, I'll show you PDF first again. Nyay Panchayat. Now, Nyay Panchayat. In some of the villages, we also find Nyay Panchayat, who does justice to the people. It is the task of the village panchayat to appoint the members of the Nyay Panchayat. The Nyay Panchayat listen to the cases such as minor thefts, small thefts, robbery, trespassing, family feuds and other small cases. They can impose fines up to 100 rupees but cannot send anyone to prison. They are solving the disputes themselves with mutual understanding. with the corporation but did not send to the jail. The advantage is the qualities of the Nyay Panchayat is that it helps to resolve minor cases, small cases at the local level in an expensive way, but in a great way. Such cases are resolved fast and help the parties involved save money and time. However, if a person is dissatisfied with the settlement of a case, he or she can always take the case to the High Court. Earlier I told you, if they are not satisfied with the Nyay Panchayat, then they can go to the High Court. But to go High Court, there is the time, money and efforts also. But in the Nyay Panchayat, we'll sit together, Sarpanch and other 4 members are sitting together, Panch, and they are discussing about the matter, about the disputes and solved. But few are not satisfied, if they can go to the High Court, that is in the state court. Thus, the whole idea of the Panchayat Raj to encourage people's participation at the grassroots level. The role of the Gram Sabha is perhaps the most important, because Gram Sabha means we the people, the people, those who are living in the village. The success of the Panchayat Raj institutions at the village level, the role of the local people in conducting social audit and fixing responsibility on Panchayat functionaries, but the Panchayat is function, is an important aspect, a sense, valuable work of the Gram Sabha. To ensure the implementation of the Panchayat Raj in all states, the Ministry of the Panchayat Raj looks into all matters related to the Panchayati Raj and its institution. Its organized award for the best Panchayat, grants funds to the backward regions, those who are not much developed, those villages are not much developed, the government provides funds to them and works for the development and training of the panchayats. We'll talk about Panchayati Raj empowers women case study. See, the year 1993 marked an important turning point in the history of India. Our constitution was amended and 33 reservation was made for women. Earlier, women had no rights to participate in the election, stand in the election. In 2009, the central government further approved reservation of 50% in the Gram Panchayats for women. So the women can also be Sarpanch and also participate in the Gram Panchayat election. But earlier, no. Women have now begun to take charge of their official responsibility in panchayats. In Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, empowerment of women through the panchayat has led to their networking into federations of elected women representatives. Women's collective voice together, they raise their voice, can help in resolving issues of social reform, such as discontinuing child marriage is also, it has also abolished, ensuring that children go to school and curbing liquor consumption among rural menfolk. Means some things they have given rights given to the girls. Now you should know the new the marriage is now 21 for girls also, and earlier 18 years. So this change also had made. So now I'll show you video for your better understanding. You can see the video also.
Introduction. Pari lives in city with her parents. She is going to village in summer vacations where her grandparents live. This is the first time she is visiting an Indian village. On her way from the railway station to her grandparents' house, she finds a group of 5 elderly people sitting under a banyan tree. They are listening to some men standing in front of them. She is curious to know what is happening. Her father tells her that the elderly men are members of the Gram Panchayat and are solving some problem of the villagers. In this lesson, you will learn about the working of Gram Panchayat. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain the structure of a Gram Panchayat, list the functions of a Gram Panchayat. What is Gram Panchayat? We all know that the governments in the states and union territories maintain law and order in their cities and look after the needs of their city dwellers. The question that comes to our mind is who is responsible for keeping law and order in villages and meeting the requirements of villagers? The answer is the village local government, which is known as village panchayat or Gram Panchayat, performs both the functions. Let us now understand the structure of the Gram Panchayats in detail. Gram Panchayat. A Gram Panchayat is the local government of a village. It is formed by members elected by the villagers in the Gram Panchayat elections. These elections are held every year. Anybody who is 18 years of age and above can cast a vote in the elections. Members of Gram Panchayat. A Gram Panchayat consists of 5 members. The head of the Gram Panchayat is called the village Pradhan or the Sarpanch. The Sarpanch of a Gram Panchayat can be a male or a female. The members of a Gram Panchayat hold meetings to solve the problems of the villagers. The Panchayat solves land, water and other disputes among villagers. Let us learn more about the other duties of a Gram Panchayat. Functions of Gram Panchayat. The Gram Panchayat looks after the cleanliness of the village. It also takes care of the water supply to the village. It serves to maintain roads, streets, and proper lighting in the village. It makes arrangements for the education of children and adults of the village. Functions of Gram Panchayat. The Gram Panchayat provides facilities for maintaining public health and hygiene and organizes health programs for its people. It also maintains law and order in the village. For performing all these functions, the Gram Panchayat receives funds from the state government. There is one word for each statement. You have to match them with the correct option.
See, Gram Panchayat, it maintains order in villages. Who maintain orders in villages? We have to do this also. So you have a look. You can also copy down in your copy and after that,
Summary.
See.
Let us summarize what we have learned.
See, students.
A Gram Village Panchayat is the local government of a village. A Gram Panchayat consists of 5 members headed by the Sarpanch. The members of a Gram Panchayat hold meetings to solve the problems of villagers. Proper maintenance of a village is the responsibility of its Panchayat.
Yes, students, now. Now it's your turn to ask me the questions if you have not understood anything. Now, Supriya, unmute yourself, Supriya. Yes, speak out. Your voice is not coming. Unmute yourself, then speak. Yes, Supriya, speak.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what is the meaning of federation?
What? Please speak spelling. You are not pronouncing correctly.
Federation.
Federations. Federations. Group.
Yes, ma'am.
A
Yes,
group.
ma'am.
A group of states. A group. When the peoples are working in the groups. Okay, that is federation. Association. Okay, groups.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you,
Ruha-
ma'am.
Okay. Ruhani Verma. What is your question, Ruhani?
Ma'am, my question is, ma'am, I'm not able to understand Gram Panchayat.
Gram Panchayat. The whole is Gram Panchayat. Okay. Gram Panchayat means when it is elected all the members by the Gram Sabha, the members of elected members we are saying Gram Panchayat. Sarpanch and Panch. Understood, Ruhani? Now
Yes,
you
ma'am.
understand elected members for Gram Sabha. Gram Sabha has elected the member for Gram Panchayat, those who are taking the decisions and all that. Okay? Okay. Pujnik. Yes, Pujnik Kaur.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the functions of Gram
The voice is not clear. Functions of Gram Panchayat. Yes, they are looking. Yes, they are performing so many functions. They are looking after the collecting, how to collect the taxes, and they're looking whether the work is going on properly. The workers for assigned for special work, are they doing proper work or not? Everything watch over. Executing, making plans also for the progress of the village. Okay, these are the functions of Gram Panchayat. And also solve the disputes. Means they are powerful and they have to take the decision. Understood?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Avreen. Yes, Avreen.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon, dear.
Ma'am, I did not understood that. How does Nyaya Panchayat works?
Nyaya means justice. See, if
Yes,
any
ma'am.
robbery has done in the village, small in any house, or someone capture the land of other person, they are complaining to the Gram Panchayat. Then they sit together and solve the problems. Nyaya, they are doing nyaya.
Yes, ma'am.
Justice, okay? Solving the problems.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Anisvi, yes, Anisvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Go, speak.
Ma'am, in the video they have said that there are 5 members in Gram Panchayat, but in book it is written that depending upon the size of population.
No. That is other members. We are talking about the panchayat. Panchayat means panch. Usse meaning, it is clear like the punch. Okay, that are members in that. Then other members also they are electing for to look after the work. See, Gram Sabha electing the Gram Panchayat. Then Gram Panchayat also giving work to other persons. Understood? It depends upon the number of the people in the villages. Anisvi,
Okay,
did you
ma'am,
understand?
thank you.
There is difference
Yes, ma'am.
between Gram Panchayat and the members of the Gram Panchayat. Understood? The other
Yes, ma'am,
members.
thank you.
Did you get my meaning?
Yes, ma'am, thank you.
They
ma'am.
are had the Sarpanch and other that Panch also headed by the Sarpanch and other also small, those who are doing the duties to look after the work of the village. Only 5 people cannot see the work. Okay. Anayat. Yes, Anayat.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, dear.
Ma'am, Gram Panchayat also discuss about the voting in village.
No, Gram Sabha only. Because people will discuss. People will choose the representative.
Okay, ma'am.
People will choose the
Thank you, ma'am.
like the same. The BJP is ruling. Now the elections
Yes,
will
ma'am.
come, and different responsibility to given to the country. So they are electing
Yes,
the
ma'am.
representative. We the people. Government is for us. So people will decide who will be our leader or not. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Udita. Yes, Udita. Student,
Yes,
raise your
ma'am.
hands.
Ma'am, ma'am, there is a difference between Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat.
Yes, Gram Sabha are the people. We the people, those who are living in the village, men, women and children. And Gram Panchayat is those who are heading the village, head of the villages. Understood?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ministers of the villages. Did you know, understand? Like you, we are in the class, all are children. Girls are the children. So leaders, different leaders, ma'am is choosing. Role leaders, discipline leaders. They are the main leaders. Did you understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mute yourself now. Okay. Now, Aditi Mehra. Yes, Aditi? Yes,
Ma'am, what is the reservations of seats?
your voice is not coming clear. Please speak again. What is?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, I can't understand the reservations of seats.
What? Distribution of?
Ma'am,
Hmm?
seats.
Reservation of seats. Oh, reservation. Say reservation of seats. See.
Reservations
Yes, I will
of
tell you.
seats.
I will tell you. When Gram Sabha electing the members for Gram Panchayat, so they have settled the criteria. Means if people belongs to lower caste can also stand in the election. Means the leader can be from scheduled caste also. They are reserved. Means one should be from scheduled caste, one should be from tribes, and one should be from that gender women. Did you get? उनको पक्का कर दिया सीट में कि
Yes, ma'am.
एक शेड्यूल कास्ट होना चाहिए, शेड्यूल ट्राइब का भी होना चाहिए और एक विमेन भी होनी चाहिए जब हम ग्राम पंचायत डिसाइड करें. अंडरस्टूड? जब हम व्हेन वी आर डिसाइडिंग टू representative and head members of the gram
Yes,
panchayat,
ma'am.
there should be, these groups should also be there. Okay. Okay. Then
Okay.
Javish. Yes, Javish. Javish, speak. Ask question, Javish. Not able to ask. Unmute
Ma'am,
yourself.
I can't understand.
No, I can hear your voice. Please speak. Speak, Javish.
Ma'am, I can't understand source of income.
Source of income.
Ma'am, I can't understand source of
See.
income for Gram Panchayat.
Okay. See, we have talked about the gardens, schools, adult education, and other garden, parks, hospitals, sanitation. Everything we have talked. But how it will maintain? How it will build? See, the Gram Panchayat needs money for this. From where this money come, income? So, who is allotting? The government is giving, ruling government, central government giving to the state government, and state government gives to the Gram people, Gram Panchayat. So, source of income is government, and the taxes which are paying for house tax, electric bill you are paying. Those people living in the village also paying electric bill, water bill. So this is the income, source of income. From where the money comes, from these income, these funds, and government also helps, state government also helped to the villages, giving money to the Gram Panchayat for the betterment, for the networking of these works. Okay. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Any other girl? Any question? So now it's my turn to ask the question. So my question, you have to raise your hands. What is the meaning of Panchayati Raj? Give answer in your own words. Please raise your hands. What do you mean by Panchayati Raj? We have talked too much about Panchayati Raj. So now you give me the answer. Raise your hand, students. Okay, Gungun, I'm going to ask from you. Gungun Tikku. Yes, Gungun, give me answer if you are in the class. Nobody knows the answer? What do you mean by Panchayati Raj? Please raise your hand, students. Okay. Parinika? Yes, Parinika? Give me answer, Parinika.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean
Ma'am,
by Panchayati Raj?
Ma'am, Panchayati Raj is a system of self-government at a local level.
Local level. So the other name of Panchayati Raj is local self-government. अपने आप बनाई गई government. Villagers have made. Okay? Local self-government. Good. Thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
Ashley. Now, my second question is, can you tell me about Jila Parishad? What is Jila Parishad? That diagram I have shown you and explained about the Jila Parishad. Students, read chapter nicely and pay attention in the class. So, Supriya, you have to give the answer. Yes, Supriya, give me answer. What do you mean by Jila Parishad? Supriya, I'm not able to hear your voice. Please speak. Okay. Then Advita. Advita, speak out the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Zilla
Parishad.
Parishad is also known as district level. It acts as a link between the state government and the block samiti. It makes development plans at district level.
Yes, very good answer. Thank you very much.
Welcome, ma'am.
Now my next question is, what is the meaning of Panchayat Samiti? Panchayat Samiti. So Hina, you have to give me the answer. Yes, Hina.
Ma'am, Panchayat Samiti is also known as block level.
Yes. How block? What is the
And-
meaning of block?
Ma'am, block means that
Group.
beach wala part.
Group. Beach wala part. No, that is in the diagram. That means that people
Ma'am.
working in the group. More villages.
Ma'am,
More. Yes.
Ma'am, a group which
Ah,
consists
A
of
block
gram
consists of several gram panchayat. A group consists of several gram panchayat, not only one gram panchayat, group of gram panchayat.
several.
And we are saying blocks. Okay, panchayat samiti. Other name is block. So, can anybody tell me what do you mean by gram sabha? So many times I told you about gram sabha. Japlin Kaur. Yes, Japlin, tell me about gram sabha. Within 1 minute, I will end up the class. Yes, Japlin. Japlin, unmute yourself, Japlin. Okay. Ashley, unmute yourself, Ashley.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the meaning of gram sabha. What do you
Ma'am,
understand?
Gram Sabha are the people that cast their vote.
Yes, which are the people? Which people? From outside or from the villages only?
Ma'am, from the villages only.
Which people? Only men or only women?
Ma'am, both who are 18 years and above.
Very good. So when you speak the answer, speak fully, okay? All
Okay,
men
ma'am.
and women in the village who are 18 years old and above, who have the right to vote and members of the Gram Sabha. A Gram Sabha could cover either one village or more than one village. Okay, this is the answer. So students, write short notes also. Okay, on Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat, like that. Okay, all the tiles of the Gram Panchayat, and keep write in your notebook. Okay, it will help you in while examinations. Understood?
Okay,
Good,
ma'am.
good, Ashley. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So my another question is, what do you mean by Nyay Panchayat? Nyay Panchayat was not given the answer till then. Japlin, unmute yourself, Japlin. Japlin is not in the class. Okay. Supriya. Supriya, give me
Yes,
answer,
ma'am.
Supriya. Nyay. You have asked about the Nyay, na? So give me the answer about Nyay. What is the meaning of Nyay Panchayat? What is the function of?
Resolves petty cases at the village level.
Slowly. Yes. Then give me the valid answer, proper answer. Not in only in one sentence. Okay, good. Then I'll ask from other girl. Anisvi, give me proper answer of this question. Anisvi,
Yes, ma'am.
proper answer. What do you mean by, if you are asked to write a short note on Nyay Panchayat, how to write a short note on Nyay Panchayat?
Ma'am, Nyay Panchayat basically means that Nyay Panchayat gives justice to people.
Yes. Then
Yes,
this is a short note.
Ma'am, the Nyay Panchayat listens to the peoples and their demands, like minor cases in villages.
Yes, their disputes regarding farms, fields,
Yes, ma'am.
that minor thefts, है ना? Big fights
Yes,
also.
ma'am.
Big fight also, that their personal disputes also in inexpensive way. Otherwise, if they have to go to outside high court, they have to pay fees also, and it needs time also. So you have to at least near about 20-30 words paragraph when you write the short note. Okay, note is in one paragraph.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, right. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I will send you the worksheet, and
Okay,
there I will
ma'am.
tell you people to write the short paragraph. Okay, learn to write. In 5th standard you are writing
Okay,
short
ma'am.
paragraphs also. So just, if you have notebooks, see that notebooks, take help, write the dates, write the important points. Okay, read chapter. If you will not read the chapter, students, you will not
Okay,
understand
ma'am.
the things. For internals, you read the chapter. So students, so till then, we'll meet in the next class. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.